Super fun experience. Originally I just wanted to eat the lava noodles, but later I found out that there was also a noodle making experience, so I signed up for it. The staff were super cute and patient in explaining, and they were also great at taking photos. They taught us how to pose and hold the noodles, which was super professional. The pictures taken with the original camera looked great. Jumping rope with noodles was also super fun. It was a super unforgettable experience. In the end, you can even take the noodles you made home. The flowing water surface is also super fun. It really challenges your hand speed, haha. It is a super comfortable and fresh experience. The whole trip only took about an hour and a half, but it felt super fulfilling. Highly recommended to everyone. Thumbs up emoji, thumbs up emoji. It is recommended to call in advance to reserve spots. Once you arrive, go to the counter to have them scan your QR code. The experience is fun and memorable. Very great experience. Staff there were very friendly and kept helping to take pics/videos and even directed us on how to pose for pics. Making noodles was fun. The flowing noodles was a great experience. First make an appointment with the store for the event date and time, and then go to Klook to purchase the itinerary. If you have any questions online, you can communicate with the store at any time. The service is good. Although there were many guests on the day of the event and it was a holiday, the on-site staff was still very enthusiastic. Help us take pictures. The water on the water can be very filling, and the overall activity is satisfying. The service staff are very friendly and enthusiastic, and very professional. The environment is comfortable, beautiful and clean. The experience is fun and interesting. It is very suitable for the whole family to experience it. There is also free ginger tea, which is delicious. I went with a lot of people. 2 people have to pull the noodle thread together to pull it. But basically, children don't have the patience to finish it. It's better to need their parents to accompany them. It's fun to eat the noodles. Among the activities that are relatively close to New Taipei, you can make handmade noodles in Shiding and eat delicious and fun noodles. There are not many other special features. Everyone was very happy when eating the flowing water. The venue is not big, but the activities are quite unique and worth a visit. Learning about the process of making handmade noodles is both educational and entertaining. During the process, the children experienced the flowing water and were very happy. The staff here are super professional and will even help with taking photos. And the photos taken are very unique to the store. Through the introduction of the staff, I also learned about many interesting places in Shiding. Push. It's a fun noodle making experience. Although the process is a bit short, adults and children enjoy it. They also have a lot of fun and eat the noodles while eating the noodles. The location is a bit remote, but the employees inside are very enthusiastic and don't seem a little impatient because they have talked about it a lot. Moreover, eating water noodles is also a special experience, and it is worth recommending. The service was very good. The staff would help take photos before the meal started. The portions of the noodles were larger than expected. Because I had lunch first that day before going to experience it, I couldn't eat it later. The most important thing is to participate in the activities of the water noodle line. After the event is over, there is nothing to play, because the venue is a bit small. It would be better if you can add a few more installations, because the location is quite remote. This time I went to the noodle factory with my friend By Previously, due to personal reasons, we were unable to make the appointment in time, but the staff were still very active in helping us. During the tour, we received a lot of care from them, and the activities were also very fun, especially the professors and the experience of flowing water. Thank you to the staff for a great time. Detailed explanation by staff. Very patient with children too. Great at taking photos. Very special experience. Make your own noodles. Eating the noodles is fun. The staff was very interesting and attentive. They helped my 2 families take a lot of photos. The flowing water is very interesting and must be experienced.